All right, today's video is about the #1 lead generation strategy for LiveGood. Now, let me tell you, this is actually tried and true for me because this is exactly how I have quickly, how I quickly built a team of almost 900 within less than 90 days. Okay, so let's see. First of all, the first question I want to ask is, do you know how many hits are going on your landing page every day? Now, let's just talk about the landing page real quick. On LiveGood, you get the 3 pages. One is a retail page. Here it is right here. So one's a retail page, one's a corporate site, and one is your power line landing page. And that's the one you want people going to every day, is that power line landing page. That's where people can watch the video. So my second question is, do you know how many hits are going to your website every day? So as you can see, I get about 100 to 200 every single day. All right. And sometimes if I really have a video that goes viral, I'll get 7, 8, 9, or 1,000. So know your numbers. Okay. But let's get into that #1 strategy. And it is Facebook. Your infamous, famous Facebook. It never fails you. I promise. So you want to log into your Facebook account. All right. This is the #1 lead generation strategy for LiveGood. I promise you, this is the #1. So you log into your Facebook. You want to click on edit. Oh, not there. All right. So you log into Facebook. You want to click edit bio. That's what you want to click. So right here. Now it might look different on your phone too. It might look different on your phone, but log into LiveGood, click edit bio, right? So now my campaign right now is make 2 to 4K from home without quitting your job. But you want to have a campaign that you're comfortable with. I have also used make money from home. Okay, I've also used that. Make money from home, because a lot of people right now are searching for work from home jobs or remote jobs or remote work or work from home business. So you can do all kinds of stuff like that. Okay. Now, when you have that in your intro, what you want to do, as you can see, I got a crazy little reel right here, and I'm not posting no more either because Facebook has me shadow banned, I think. So a lot of people aren't seeing my video. Look out for my next video, because I'm going to show you the do's and don'ts on Facebook and why I'm shadow banned. Because normally my videos get like so many views, and this particular one, which I think is really good, is not getting a lot of views. But basically you want to create reels, right? The secret is creating reels, and then when people see your reel, they come to your page and they say, what's this person talking about? That's when they get to see your intro. Okay, that is when they get to see your intro, and they will go to your landing page. Okay, also, now outside of the reels, what you also want to do, hold on one second. What you also want to do, and again, this is the #1 leads generation strategy for LiveGood. And also, this strategy works well if you're a business loan broker, any kind of new business that you have, to be honest. This is the #1 strategy. And I know for a fact, because I've used this strategy time and time again on different types of businesses. This is the easiest way to get people. Okay, so you just make sure your introduction is accurate, and you make sure that you post reels. But outside of the reels, I want to show you some text that you can do as well. So Facebook's doing so many changes lately, so it's kind of hard for me to just get right to what I want to show you. So bear with me one second. Bear with me, bear with me, bear with me, bear with me. Bear with me, bear with me. So yeah, but basically I do post reels every day. But for people who don't or are afraid to post reels, okay, I want to just show you, like if you're used to the traditional way of using Facebook, I just want to show you how you can just type, you can type text, which will give you the same types of results, right? So give me 1 second. I can't find what I'm looking for. Hold on. But as you can see, I'm always posting reels. Here it is. I found it. So right here. Now, this is the #1 way that so many people in LiveGood have recruited lots of people. So, but as you can see right here, I got 389 comments on this post, right? So I simply just typed, I found a way to earn $2,047 per month without referring anyone, comment ready. Or you can come up with your own word. But when people comment, that is when you slide into their DM, slide into their instant message. These are the people raising their hand to say, me, I'm looking for more money. So that is how that is done. This is hands down the absolute #1 way to get traffic to your LiveGood landing page every day. If you are a business loan broker, it's the #1 way to do it. I'm telling you, Facebook still has the most people on their website every single day, even though TikTok is really popular now and so is Instagram, but this is the #1 way. Now, and this is called attraction marketing. This is where people come to you so you don't have to chase anyone. You don't feel overwhelmed or like you're chasing anyone. And just one more thing I want to say. If you are, looking for a small, course or a small, workshop on learning more about attraction marketing, I'm going to put that in the description box, okay? Because attraction marketing is really where it's at. When you're doing something as big as LiveGood, something that can grow and duplicate so fast, you want to maximize just all opportunities, all angles, and you want to not be a secret agent, right? We used to say, this is what we used to say in real estate. Don't be a secret agent. And as you can see, y'all, if you're scared to do reels, as you can see, I'm not even talking on a lot of my reels. You can just point. You can add text and just point to stuff, okay? You can do reels with you can do reels of other people talking about business, right? This one right here, this guy is talking about business. And, the thing is, you want to attract people. You want to post something that's interesting. That is how you do reels. Okay, like this one, I did a stitch and then I talked later. So, yep, hands down, this is the #1 way, #1 lead generation strategy for reels. And that's it. If you want to learn more about attraction marketing, check in the description box below. And let me just show you what that means as well. So below this video, you will see, below this video, like say you're watching the video. So below this video, you'll see show more, and you'll see lots of resources in here. This is where I'm going to put that link for attraction marketing. Okay, that's the way to go. That's the way to bring people to you and get hundreds of hits on automation. Hundreds of hits to your website every day. So I'm Katina. See you on the next video. Don't forget, click that like button, y'all. It really helps out the channel. See you next time.